Amazon best-selling Chemical Guys TVD 107 VRP vinyl. The product buying link in this video description. Restore and maintain shine, penetrates deep to nourish and restore vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Refined cream creates a long-lasting, non-greasy dry to the touch high, rich shine on tires, dashboards, door panels, bumper trim, windshield cowls, rubber tire sidewalls, grills, grates, side mirrors, and more. Protect against fading. Refined cream restores and protects vinyl, rubber, and plastic against UV damage and from becoming faded and cracked. Specialty UV blockers act like sunscreen to repel harmful solar rays that bleach, fade, and crack sensitive car parts over time. Non-greasy water-based formula. Achieve a non-greasy long-lasting deep wet look on both interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, plastic, and tires with this water-based dressing. Quick and easy application with no sling and no mess. Beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys, not only for the finest car care products, but the world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. Chemical Guys are more than a brand, it's a lifestyle with a worldwide following. Satisfaction guaranteed. Our customers love our products. We love our products, and we want to make sure you love them too. If you have any questions about or issues with this amazing dressing,